Hi there, students. A party pooper. This is somebody who spoils other people's enjoyment. Yeah, particularly by disapproving. A spoil sport, a wet blanket, a killjoy. Okay, so a party pooper. Somebody who tries to stop other people having fun, especially by refusing to participate in something that everybody's participating in, or they refuse to enjoy a party, yeah, or they disapprove of a group activity. Yeah. A party pooper, maybe somebody who doesn't agree with the opinions or what their group is going to do. So a party pooper is a real spoil sport. Somebody who doesn't want to participate with enthusiasm, particularly with when people are having fun, when they're letting their hair down, when they're relaxing. Yeah. So either their behavior or their personality, it just dampens everybody else's enthusiasm. Come on, don't be such a party pooper. Don't be such a spoil sport. Yeah, don't be such a wet blanket. Yeah, everybody else is having fun. Come on, join in as well with us. Yeah. Okay, so a party pooper, somebody who's putting gloom and doom over something that a group of people are enjoying. Yeah, I hate to be a party pooper, but I've got to go home because my bus leaves in about 5 minutes and it's the very last one. Okay, so it's destroying other people's enjoyment of something, particularly by not participating. Yeah, or somebody who's always very negative about things. Yeah, they just don't want to participate in the fun of the party. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a party, it can be an activity, but it's normally a leisure activity. Yeah, so their mood, their personality, their lack of interest, yeah, makes them a party pooper. So a party, and to poop means to defecate, to shit. Yeah. So it's like somebody is pooping on the party. And suddenly, if that happens, bleh, yeah, it's all suddenly starts to be much less fun. And this is the idea of a party pooper. So come on, don't poop on the party. Don't be such a party pooper. Let's see. I think this can either be two words or you could put a hyphen in the middle as well. His party pooper attitude is just so annoying. Formality. This I'm going to give a 3 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, definitely. A semi-formal conversation, maybe just about, but no more. And I wouldn't use this in a writing except for something very informal. Yeah. Very often I hear the phrase, I don't want to be a party pooper, but I've got to go. I can't participate. Yeah. I've got a bad leg or something like that. Okay. So a party pooper. And then the origin, people having a party and then somebody poops, they defecate on it. And that's, well, it's certainly rather off-putting. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A party pooper.